How's it going, everybody? Welcome to Gravity Explained as Absolutely Being a Lie and Unreasonable and Unrealistic, Part 2. Let's get into this. So, the Earth spins at, or the globe spins at 1,037 miles per hour at the equator, okay? And 0 miles per hour at the poles, right? So, this similar to the Gravitron ride at the fair, right? The people that are on the ride, I don't know if you know this ride, but it's basically there's a controller in the middle who's sitting there, and he is also, and him and the people, they're all spinning, right? But the people are pressed up against the walls as it is spinning because they are further out and the centrifugal force is greater. But the ride operator in the middle is not affected by the centrifugal force. Similar to the Earth spinning 1,037 miles per hour at the equator and 0 miles an hour at the poles, the centrifugal force at the equator is a lot greater. Actually, it's a lot greater because there is absolutely no centrifugal force at the poles. So objects at the poles would be heavier than they are at the equator. Okay? A bowling ball that weighs 10 pounds at the equator would weigh a lot less than it would weigh at the poles. I mean, this is basic logic, reasoning, and applying it to a model that doesn't match what we experience in reality. 1,037 miles per hour is not fast compared to, you know, a spherical object with 8,000 miles in diameter, but it is 1/3 the times faster than the speed of sound. The speed of sound is like 737 something miles an hour. You have to apply all of the factors into a model to get the right answer. You can't add gravity and then not look at centrifugal force, which would affect gravity and how much things weigh. Gravity's effect on the equator because of centrifugal force would be less than that of gravity's effect at the poles, where there is no centrifugal force, because the pole is over the axis, which is not moving at all. Another thing to add to this, okay, it's not necessarily having to do with well, it kind of does, but they say that when the reason why we cannot feel the Earth's motion as it makes an orbit around the sun is because it is a continuous speed, and we only feel acceleration. For example, if you're on a train and you're going down the tracks at 100 miles an hour, you don't feel the speed of 100 miles an hour. But the thing is, anything that is moving in a circle at a continual speed is absolutely experiencing and is under acceleration. You could just look that up, okay? I mean, anything that is moving in a circle for a continuous speed is under acceleration. So the fact that the Earth is under acceleration is factual, that centrifugal force is being applied to the globe. I mean, is being applied to the globe. Yet it has not been factored into the model when explaining how things work in this world at all. Anyways, if you have a rebuttal, please shoot it in the comment. And if you like this video, you can like and subscribe and leave a comment. And hey, see you guys next time. Bye.